Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to extend frames in Adobe Animate. So it's pretty simple. We just need to go here to our timeline where you see all of those layers which you have. And what you're going to do is, if you are on Windows, you will press Ctrl on your keyboard, or if you are using Mac, you can press CMD. Now you will see when you press those two buttons, you will see left and right arrow if you hover over of your keyframe. And what you can do now is just drag it to the right or to the left. So just like that, we extend those keyframes here. So you can do it everywhere you want, as you can see. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can extend frames in Adobe Animate. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, uh, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.